family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to try and do something called spinach artichoke stuffed bread. You can also use the mixture as a dip as well if you wish, but we're going to do it into bread. We're going to start off with 10 ounces of chopped drained spinach. It was frozen, and I've thawed it and got it and drained it. Then we're going to add this is a 12 ounce artichoke hearts that's been chopped up. Going to just kind of mix that up. And to this, I'm going to add 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. It's grated Parmesan cheese. Oops, splattering it, aren't I? I'm messy in the kitchen sometimes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of minced garlic in it. And I've got a cup of Parmesan cheese here. I'm going to put in half of it and reserve the other half to put on the top when we get ready to put it in the oven. So about a half a cup is what we're going to put inside it and reserve the rest for later. Okay, we're going to set this aside and we're going to mix our cream cheese mixture together. Okay, I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's been softening at room temperature. I'm going to add to it 2/3 cups of sour cream. Made a little music, didn't we? And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Okay, just going to mix this all together. Alrighty, and then we're going to just take the spinach mixture that we just put together and pour it into this and mix it together. Sorry, I got my bowl right in your way, didn't I? Okay, try to mix this up. Is it looking good?
Looking very good.
Yeah. All right, we're going to put it, it's about ready to put in our bread. Okay, oh, my finger. It's doing that weird thing. This is the type of bread that we're using. This is the type of bread we're using. And what I've done, I've already went in and cut it into kind of a boat. Cut the middle out, just don't go all the way through. And we're going to take and fill this up with the mixture. Are you making fun of me? You laughing at me?
No.
Yes, you are.
What weird thing is it doing?
Oh, my finger gets kind of stiff on me sometimes. I'm not going to fill it all the way up because I'm going to make a little bit, save a little bit of it to put in a bowl to make for a dip, because I've already made me some wontons. I've deep fried some wontons that I'm going to use for dip. So we're just going to do it like this. And I'm going to go ahead and put the remaining of this into a dish and put it in the oven with it. And we can use this for the dip with the wontons. I like deep fried wontons and chips, don't you?
Yeah, they're very good.
Yeah.
We like them with our Italian nachos.
Yeah, we like them with our Italian nachos. I didn't save much of it out, did I?
No.
That's all right. We'll get that all out. Okay. I've had my oven preheated at 375. I'm going to put this in the oven, and this is going to bake for about 25 minutes. Okay, we got the bread in the oven. I have reserved that mozzarella cheese, so about whenever I put the croutons in, I'll sprinkle that on, so it'll be about 10 minutes that it'll be on the top. We're going to, with the bread that I took out, whenever I kind of cut the boat, I've taken and cut it up, and I'm going to make some croutons to sprinkle on the top of it. So I'm going to start off with like a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. We'll get that all mixed up together, and then I'm going to sprinkle it over these croutons. Alrighty. This is the bread that was cut out of the middle to create the boat. Okay.
We made some more music.
Yeah, we made music. Okay, I melted about a 1/4 of a cup of margarine. I'm just going to sprinkle over the top of it. Mix these up real good. And then we're going to spread them out on a baking sheet. And they'll cook at the same temperature as the other bread for about 10 minutes. So we'll let the bread cook. We'll let the bread cook for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out, put the remaining mozzarella cheese on top of it, and I'll put the croutons in, and then we'll be back in about 25 minutes. Okay, we've got the finished product here. I do need to clarify my error. A while ago I said I reserved the Parmesan cheese. It's the mozzarella cheese that I reserved 1/2 of it, and I didn't put on it until I put the croutons on. So I put the remaining mozzarella cheese on whenever I put my croutons on. Now then I'm going to take and sprinkle just a dab of paprika on top, not much, just a little bit to give it a little bit of color. We got a little bit of dip. I've got my deep fried wontons, and here are my croutons.
Croutons.
Yeah. Oh, senior moment there. Okay. So I hope that you all will try this and like it. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
See you in a few days. Have a good one.